Today I want to talk to you about having extreme success when hiring a contractor for your home or business.
It's almost problematic, can't sleep because I'm so excited to go to work the next day.
Hey guys, what's going on? Derek from Dependable Painting here, and today I want to talk to you guys about extreme success, extreme competency, and extreme confidence, and how that relates to hiring a contractor for your next home project. So I want to let you know, when you guys deal with us, Dependable Painting and Remodeling, there's no games. You're not going to get hoodwinked. We can look you directly in the eyes, take your hard-earned money, and in exchange for a job well done that's done right the first time. So for us, that's extreme success to me, having the best guys, the best products. We've already put together the best crews, the best painters, the best carpenters, the best suppliers. We offer the best warranty, and we did all this through experience, trial and error. Who's the best painters in the area? Who's the best carpenters in the area? We developed a way to get them on our team. And it works out great. Our production manager, Alberto, one of the best around, and I've been doing construction for a long time. I mean, the guy, if you have a problem with your house and it needs to be fixed, and there's paint failing and it's paint peeling, he's gonna figure it out, and he's gonna do it the right way the first time. And that's what we do around here. We never cut any corners. If you want somebody to just come out there, slap some paint on it, and just cut every corner possible because all that you care about is the cost, we're definitely not the guys for you. We want to do it right the first time, and at the end of the day, when you go the cheaper route, you get less value, right? It doesn't last as long, it doesn't look as good, it costs you more time, costs you more effort. We've had people all day call us, oh, I got ripped off, the other contractor stole from me, he didn't show up. Or they'll come and say, hey, this job was quoted $1,000 cheaper. Well, let me explain why we're more expensive, right? So not only have we put together the best crews, we've put together the best suppliers, who makes the best product for the job, why, and we did all this through trial and error and experience. And extreme success, extreme competency, extreme confidence that goes with our warranty and results, it all costs money, right? But it's money well spent because you can assure that it's done right the first time. And not just what products to use and who to apply them, but we've went to great lengths to ensure the best application techniques, right? The best application materials and tools, and we literally use the best things that money can buy in our industry. When you hire us to paint your business, your home, your interior, your exterior, you can rest assured we are really going to use the best people, the best managers, the best material, the best application techniques, and the best application tools that money can buy, period, point blank. And to me, I'm a perfectionist. That's extreme success. That makes me feel good at night. The best feeling on earth for us, and what we consider extreme success here at Dependable Painting, is when our customers, they're happy, right? We achieve their goals, their product is exactly how they wanted, and the work stands the test of time, which is why we back it up with our industry-leading warranty. And it really, really means the world to us, and to that is extreme success. But of course, there's a cost to it. As with any service-based industry, there's always cheaper guys, but they have to cut it from the labor, the materials, or in bad cases, both, if they're not gonna outright just rob you. But it's very rare you can take a quote, put it together, and find somebody that's gonna use the best of everything, because that stuff comes with a cost, but it's gonna be money well spent, and then we really feel good and we can sleep well at night knowing our customers are taken care of properly. And we know when you come and you use Dependable Painting and Remodeling, you support us, you support your community, you support our family. We know you could have spent your money elsewhere and maybe you would have got junk, you'd have got games played, you'd have got poor quality, there's no warranty, or there's a warranty but there's nobody to show up and actually do the work. At Dependable Painting and Remodeling, you have people, you have a real office. We are right here in downtown Dallas, Georgia, right on 381. You can find somebody in the office. You'll have somebody answer the phone. You'll have a representative, myself, Tina, Jesse, take your project from start to finish. You'll have the best production manager. He'll be on site. He'll also take you from start to finish once the work starts on your project. And when it's all said and done, we'll be right here if you need anything at all. And even if you're out of warranty, if I can find a way to help you, I will, because we want to make friends, and that's how you grow a successful business. And to us, that's what extreme success is, and that's how you can have extreme success when you hire your next contractor, because it's not just what we do for a living, but when you go to hire a mechanic, you go to hire a plumber, any of these things, it's better to do it right the first time. It's going to be more money, it's going to last longer, you're not going to have any headaches, the company's going to stand by the work, no problem, we'll be out, they're going to do what they say they're going to do when they say we're going to do it, and that's what we do. What we say we're going to do, when we say we're going to do it, with the best possible tools and best possible labor and best possible application that money can physically buy, period. Give us a call. We'll treat you right. We'll do it right the first time. You know, like I said, we don't want to cut any corners, so definitely not the company for you if you're looking to just, you know, cut corners. But you want it done correctly, give me a shout. We'll get you taken care of. You can call us, Dependable Painting and Remodeling, 470-322-7107. And we look forward to making you one of our customers, and more importantly, one of our friends. If you have any questions on how to get extreme success when hiring a contractor, leave them in the comments. Please like, subscribe, share. We regularly monitor the page, so feel free to ask any questions. And remember, better to do it right the first time.